Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Star Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cream caramel. So let's get into it. So here I'm going to put 5 eggs into the bowl. Then I will add in here 3/4 cup sugar. Next I'm going to add 2 pinch of salt and some vanilla essence. Then I will incorporate all the ingredients by whisking it very well. Then in the liquid mixture I will add 2 tablespoons of cream. Next, I am going to gradually add the warm milk to the egg mixture while continuously stirring to prevent lumps from forming. Now, I will keep the liquid mixture aside and meantime prepare caramel. For that, I will put 1/4 cup of sugar on a pan and make it into caramelized color and then transfer it to a container. I will spread the caramel at the bottom of the container and let it get crystallized. Using a sieve, I'm gonna transfer all the wet mixture onto the caramel. The sieving process is really important guys, as it avoids firstly any lumps to be transferred in the liquid mixture and secondly avoids any bubbles to be formed, so don't avoid this process. On another container, I'm going to put some water and then place a steel mat into it and then put the cream caramel container into it and cover it. Cook the cream caramel for a total of 40 minutes. Start at a high temperature until it brings to a boil. Then reduce to a medium to low flame. So guys, after cooking the cream caramel, I will let it cool to room temperature before placing it in the fridge. After the cream caramel is cooled, I will cut the cream caramel from the edges of the container and then put it on a plate. So guys, be sure to try making this mouth-watering cream caramel recipe at your home to delight your family and friends. Hope you have enjoyed my today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.